how to get combos in Block Blast. So this is a strategy that you can use. You want to open up the Block Blast application and we'll just enter classic mode here. So what you want to do is click on the gear icon in the top right and select replay until you get one vertical block like I have right here, the one that I'm tapping on. And you will paste it in the bottom right corner like I have. The rest of your blocks you can place wherever you want. But once you do this, essentially what is going to happen is you will be given more vertical blocks, and we can just take those, color match them and place them next to each other. So like that, you can place them here. As you can see, I can just place it, and what I can do now is add the other block in the empty slot, and then I'll just paste one more like this, and as you can see, it is going to keep giving me these vertical blocks, and I can do this, boom, and just like that I can add another, and this one I'll just place somewhere around here. And that's basically how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.